I am going to cut this in half with this. I know what you're thinking. What the heck are you doing? Yes, I admit cutting a car in half with hand tools is unnecessarily hard, slow, painful, and exhausting. Which becomes a heartbreakingly entertaining metaphor for my 2023 finale. Exhausting, sometimes painful, hard to deal with at times, and it seemed to just go on and on and on. But I had two choices: leave my backyard in a mess, or do the best I can with what I've got. First problem, that bit. So this is a rusty old wood saw that I've had in a tree. I didn't think it'd get through the chassis rail. And it totally did. Everyone goes through difficult periods in their life. To think otherwise would be silly. But I must admit, my life is very blessed. I mean, come on, I've got a race car. I live in a beautiful part of the world, have great friends, and I'm proud dad to 3 incredible young humans. But this year tested us, squeezed real hard, and almost broke me at times. I had a bit of a health scare and I couldn't work my business for more than 6 months. But I'm one of the lucky ones. Someone else in my family hasn't been so lucky. Someone who's been there for me on my dark days. After years fighting their own health battles, this year things took a turn for the worse. But the war's not lost, and neither is our hope. And just like cutting a car in half with a handsaw, with grit, determination, and persistence, we'll triumphantly reach the other side. Can you see that behind me? Whew, hold that still. Have you ever seen anything more stupid in your life? I'm using a timber saw to cut a car in half, and I've reached the halfway mark. I'm halfway across. The teeth on this thing have seen better days though, a bit like mine. Actually a lot worse than mine. There's quite a few teeth missing on this one. Oh, but enough of that depressing crap. 'Cause race car! It's driving my humble little Hyundai Excel race car, tinkering in the shed, helping out and hanging out with my mates, that has been my lifeline this year. I call it drive-through therapy. Drive to the track, race around, wave some flags, heckle your mates because they drive a bloody Commodore, and leave with aching cheeks because you've been smiling all day. I'm so glad I found this epic sport and met all the amazing people. And who cares if I don't have the tools, if I come last all the time or don't have the prettiest car? It's my car, my race car, and I'm allowed to drive it as fast as I possibly can. I had one goal this year: keep my race car. And I've almost cut a car in half with a handsaw too.
just a boy. Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not just a boy. Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still